Okay guys, hello, my name is Max. So we're gonna build a startup. I'm in San Jose, California. I'm a startup founder. I don't have any technical background. I didn't write a code. And so my background is product management. And the idea is we're gonna build a startup online. From day one, from choosing an idea to success or to a failure. We're gonna use VS Code with Claude Code extension. And we are gonna use, first, some kind of rules, right? Okay, I'm gonna text the rules. I'm gonna print them on the screen so you will understand. Okay, and the first idea I got. So recently I went to Vipassana. Vipassana is 10-day retreat, right? And so during the Vipassana, actually, I got this idea. And the idea is this. What about we build a website with different AI agents for regular folks? What kind of AI agents there? I don't know. Anyone, any of those. The simple ones, but the one which can help you in your life. For example, pass their YouTube link of your video and get a summary of the what's going on this video, or tool for editing your videos, whatever. Something simple. Everyone can build it using Claude, but I believe it's going to be many people who don't want to build themselves, but they still want to use these tools in their day-to-day life. So the idea is build this kind of aggregator of these AI agents, like marketplace of AI agents, which are ready to use from the website. Let's find out. Why do I like this idea? I like this idea because I have some experience in search engine. So the idea is this. So let's idea for marketing, right? Let's scrub the data from Google, like what people search, that the keywords and the frequency of the keywords, and let's define the fairest ones. For example, what if people searching, like thousands of people searching for some kind of tool for, I don't know, reshape the photo, or I don't know, edit the video, or automate their emails, wherever. And let's check these keywords, and let's find the most like frequent ones, and after that we will check it, who is competitors there, who is there on the first page of Google, and we will analyze them. And maybe there is a room for one more player, and we're gonna jump there, optimize our website for search engine optimizations, and get traction, get people, right? Get people on our website, and start from there. You don't have to see the whole path. Let's just see the first step. Okay, that's an idea. Competition, I don't know. Ooh, we're killing it, guys. We're killing it. I'm telling you. You can smell it. It smells like money. Okay, now we're talking. You see, huh? So basically, what does it mean? It means that all of this previous stuff basically is a bullshit. It doesn't know anyone. Why? It doesn't know anything. Why? I will give you an example. So, oh, this is a gold mine, blah, blah, blah. But what if the volume of these keywords is like 5 in a month? What about if it's 10 in a month? We cannot build business with the keywords with volume, like with low volume. We need a high volume, right? But he didn't check the volumes. Now he's starting to get the volumes. Pull from shortest seats and pull one. like locked, free book search engine is locked behind paywalls. Oh, so bad. 10 minutes after, we're good to go. So critical thinking every time. Critical thinking with these things. You don't want to trust this guy. You don't want to trust this guy. Never trust this guy. Never done that, guys, but let's try it. Yeah, man, I'm from Russia. You have a Slavic face and Russian accent, so that's true. I'm Russian. I'm Russian. I moved to California Bay Area 1.5 years ago to run my startup. And so, long story short, we've been working on our startup, first startup for a year, last year, 2025. We raised a little bit of pre-seed funds, not much, around 100K, but it didn't work. So now we're pivoting. Now I'm pivoting, and this is my pivot idea. Let's build together. Anyway, even if we failed, we'll just pick another idea and it will be experience. So with AI, the good thing about AI and what should you do with AI is to just iterate faster. So now we have an opportunity to iterate very, very quickly. We can check this hypothesis in weeks, like 2 weeks. We can check it, maybe even less, right? And if it's not gonna work, just close it and we start another one. We don't want to spend 3 months for one idea. We don't want to spend even a month for one idea, like week, 1 or 2 weeks, and let's see what's going on. Okay, where is it? Yes, remember, see? Couple of, just 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. If yes, next step, start building the cover letter tool. So like 10 minutes ago, it just, oh, let's start building. We're ready. Let's build. You see? But now, when you actually force it to research it in a proper way, what we see, cover letters has almost no quick wins. It's a tough, well-defended niche top to bottom. Just 10 minutes later. Imagine if you would start building it 10 minutes ago. Like, I don't know, it might be a month of your time just going nowhere. It's really important to navigate it. Let's summarize what we've done for today. On the first stream, and formulate the next steps. That's a great first stream. Thank you, bro. Great first stream. I agree. Okay, so yeah, what we have done for today. We started with an idea, a website of free AI tools, grown with free marketing, serial plus. So yeah, right now we're still polishing the idea and find a better idea to focus on. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I really had fun. Good luck.